Hey guys, I just want to show you this quick air filter fix on a 2005 Accord, also similar to TSX, first generation with the K24. So we're replacing this intake pipe, which is cracked. I just had taped over it as it was leaking. It's cracked here and under here, which you couldn't see. And then we're going to go ahead and put in a high flow insert. Now, most people get K&N, but I found out recently that the Scepter filters are actually made in the K&N facility, and this is a lot cheaper. This is about 30 bucks versus 50 or 60 for the K&N. Available at any auto parts store or Amazon. I'll put the link below. That's the part number for the Accord and TSX. Also, this is the generic or copycat version of this. Quality is not as good. I found some extra rubber that wasn't shaved out in here, so I had to clear that out. But it was only 15 bucks. So, up to you if it's worth it or not. Maybe just get the original. I'm not going to put a hard pipe here just because I want the flexibility, and also since the fan basically blows directly on this. If this was metal, it would just be a big heat sink. So we're going to do that, put in the high flow filter, and then the third part, which most people do, is disconnect the resonator here and add a snorkel so that I can just get fresh air all the time. So I'll give you an update in a second. Okay, here's the stock filter. Pretty clogged. I feel like if I would have just changed the stock filter, I would have felt a little bit of a difference anyway. But even with this much clogging, it still was pulling pretty good. I don't know why they have this blank spot right here. It's probably because there's a funnel that comes out to here, so it doesn't want you to grab air from that area. But this new insert, it comes pre-oiled, and it has a full area. I don't know if I can get air from there, but looks good, fits good. So we'll throw the air box back on. That's the inside, in case you're wondering. The Accord has a MAF, so that gets in the way, unfortunately. The TSX does not, so this is just a smooth funnel on that. And I wish there was a way to run that airbox on here, but this is what I have for now. Some people like to knock out all these ribs and stuff, but this car is stock, so I don't think that's going to be necessary. And then down here, that's the cold air feed from the resonator. So that'll be I'll do that part another time and take out the resonator box. I'll put it all back together. Okay, we're all done. This new intake took a little convincing, but finally fit. I also did a coolant bypass. So we took the coolant from here, which was going into the throttle body, and we just went ahead and ran it. So if you can see, can't really see, but anyway, that went to the throttle body went to the other pipe there, and so we just moved this hose to there, so now the coolant won't go through the throttle body anymore. Here I have the light on so we can see. So this hose goes from coolant down to there. It used to go into there, but now it's bypassed. So I don't really want 170 degree coolant going through my throttle body. So now when I feel it, I've already test driven it, it's nice and cool. So it'll hopefully cut down on the heat soak. And then here, I left the I left the resonator disconnected because I'm gonna pull that out hopefully later today.
And as you can see, it looks like this is a cold air intake factory stock. That's what people think, that the air comes from the outside, but actually it goes into the resonator under the bumper and it comes up here. So it's actually not a cool air intake. There's a little bit of cold air maybe that comes from right here and gets in there. This little cover kind of catches the cold air coming in, but I'd rather just have it pulling it straight from the fender and make it sort of like the budget ice box, so that when it's done the funnel will be there and it'll be just breathing outside air. Anyway, that's it. The whole thing costs about 45 bucks.